For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a tire recycling business can be a lucrative and environmentally beneficial venture, especially with the increasing global demand for sustainable waste management. Discarded tires are a major environmental concern, but they can be transformed into valuable products like rubber mulch, playground surfaces, fuel, and more. With the help of free AI tools, you can streamline your research, planning, branding, and marketing processes significantly. This guide will walk you step by step through the process of launching a tire recycling business using free AI tools and smart prompts to maximize your efficiency. Step 1. Research the industry and identify market opportunities. Begin by understanding the tire recycling industry, how it works, who your competitors are, what the laws and regulations are in your area, and what kind of recycled tire products are in demand. Use ChatGPT free to gather insights by prompting. ChatGPT, give me a summary of the tire recycling industry, key trends, challenges, and emerging opportunities in your region or country. Use Google Bard or Perplexity AI to dig deeper into local environmental regulations, tire disposal laws, and government grants related to recycling. These AI tools specialize in summarizing complex articles and sourcing live web data for current information. Step 2. Define your business model and services. Decide on the type of tire recycling services you'll offer. Options include tire collection, shredding, crumb rubber production, pyrolysis, or resale of refurbished tires. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm and refine your business model by entering. ChatGPT, help me decide on a tire recycling business model. Compare and explain tire shredding, crumb rubber production, and pyrolysis in terms of startup cost, complexity, and profitability. Then ask, which tire recycling method is most suitable for a small startup in your location with limited initial capital? AI will help you make a rational, data-backed choice tailored to your resources. Step 3. Create a business plan. A solid business plan is essential for securing permits, partners, and funding. Use ChatGPT to generate a detailed draft using the following prompt. Create a detailed tire recycling business plan including executive summary, market analysis, business model, operational plan, marketing plan, and financial projections. You can later refine this using Notion AI or Tome AI to create a visual presentation for partners or investors. Tome AI also helps convert text into professional pitch decks. Step 4. Register your business and understand legal requirements. You need to officially register your business, apply for the necessary licenses, and meet environmental compliance standards. Ask ChatGPT for a customized checklist using this prompt. ChatGPT, list the licenses, environmental permits, zoning requirements, and waste management regulations I need to comply with to start a tire recycling business in city/state. This will give you a state-specific regulatory roadmap. For further legal documentation templates like LLC operating agreements or contracts, use DocGPT. Step 5. Source used tires and recycling equipment. Identify reliable sources of scrap tires. These could be tire retailers, junkyards, municipalities, or auto repair shops. Use ChatGPT to help you create an outreach strategy with the prompt. ChatGPT, draft an email pitch I can send to tire shops and junkyards asking to become their tire recycling partner. For equipment sourcing, use Perplexity AI or U.com to search for affordable tire shredders, granulators, conveyors, and related tools. These AI search engines can filter the best vendors and compare costs and reviews efficiently. Step 6. Set up your processing facility. Find a suitable industrial space for your operations that complies with local zoning laws. You'll need enough space for storage, machinery, and safe material handling. Ask ChatGPT to help you plan. ChatGPT, what are the space, infrastructure, and utility requirements for a small-scale tire recycling facility processing 1 ton/day. Also prompt. Create a basic layout plan and list of equipment needed for a starter tire recycling plant. You can visualize your layout using free tools like Floor Planner or Planner 5D, supported by AI-generated concepts. Step 7. Build your brand and online presence. Choose a business name, logo, and branding theme. Use Loca, AI-powered logo creator, or Namelix, AI business name generator, to help you. Then, create your website using Durable AI, which builds full websites from just a business description. Prompt for ChatGPT. Suggest 5 creative and brandable business names for a tire recycling startup with a sustainable mission. Then prompt. Write a homepage text and About Us page for a tire recycling business focused on eco-friendly solutions. Use Canva AI tools to design your logo, social media headers, and flyers using your brand identity. Step 8. Develop a marketing plan. To attract suppliers and customers for your recycled materials, develop a strong marketing strategy. Ask ChatGPT. Create a tire recycling marketing plan, including digital marketing, social media, community outreach, SEO strategy, and B2B sales. Use MailChimp's free AI tools for email marketing campaigns and Buffer or Hootsuite free plans to schedule social media posts. You can also generate blog content to educate customers about recycling using this prompt. Write a 500-word blog post titled, 5 Ways Recycled Tires Are Helping the Planet to Promote My Tire Recycling Business. Step 9. Estimate costs and create a financial forecast. Understand the initial and ongoing costs such as equipment, rent, utilities, transportation, labor, and insurance. Then project revenue from different recycled product streams. Use ChatGPT with this prompt. Estimate the startup and monthly operating costs for a small tire recycling business in your region. Include equipment, rent, labor, permits, and transportation. Follow up with. Create a 12-month cash flow projection and break-even analysis for my tire recycling business. You can enter this data into free spreadsheet templates on Google Sheets, and ChatGPT can help you create financial formulas. Conclusion. Starting a tire recycling business no longer requires a massive capital or large team to plan and operate. With free AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, Notion AI, Durable, Canva, and others, you can simplify every stage of the startup process, from research and legal setup to branding, marketing, and growth. The key is to ask the right prompts and allow AI to accelerate your workflow. This not only saves time, but also gives you a professional edge in a traditionally manual industry. With determination and the help of smart AI tools, you can launch a green, profitable business that makes a real difference. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.